Nature Valley Soft Baked Breakfast Bros Maple Nut, the last out of the three that I got yesterday. $3.97 at Walmart. And this is what it looks like. Kind of a pretty cool looking thing right there, I think. And let's see, third and final one. I can smell the maple nut a little bit. You gotta get up close with it though. Alright, there's a nutty flavor. Maple flavor there. And again, you can swallow it. It's not as dry as the blueberry one. It's good. I'll give this a 7 out of 10 only because I'm not really a huge fan of maple nut. So, out of the three that I've tried, the banana one is probably my favorite, the blueberry one second, this one third. Even if the blueberry one was kind of hard to swallow. So yeah, for our Nature Valley Soft Breakfast Bars Maple Nut. Until next time.